And I can recall a particular song from Nina Simone and our very own Jamaican group back then, the Tamblins, gave their version of Baltimore. Let's hear it for Lloyd and the Tamblins.
Yes, Mary. How you doing? I phoned you on the phone. Oh yeah. And my little girl, I found out you were not at home. Oh yeah. You're out with that guy, baby. What can I do? Oh yeah. In my girl, I know that I'm losing you. Oh yeah. And I don't wanna cry, baby. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Yes, I'm sitting right here. Letting go of you, my dear, wondering if I've been sand in the park. Let me treat it so cool in the park. Let me treat it so cool in the park. But nevertheless, I say again, you gotta be waiting. Sitting in the park, waiting for you. Baby, let's go. dreams. Sleep tight, my love. May tomorrow be sunny and bright, and bring you closer to me. Before you go. There's one thing I'd like to know. Is your love still warm for me, or has it gone? Oh, well, yeah. People, right now I want to big up brother Big John on his birthday. Big John, happy earth summer birthday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it up for the Tamblins. Lightbox, more power. One of Jamaica's finest guitarists. So have a blessed flight, Bob.